Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to enable 2FA on Whop. So sign into your Whop account. Next, click your profile and open account settings. So click your profile in the top right corner, then click this settings icon. Now once you're on settings, on the left side, so go to account security. Now once you're here, find two-factor authentication or 2FA. Then right here, choose your preferred verification method. You have Authenticator app, which is the recommended one for better security, and you have text message, so you will receive a code via SMS. So let's say, for example, we're going to select text message, then let's click Enable Two-Factor Authentication. So you need to verify your identity, so let's click Send Verification Code. So enter the 6-digit code sent to your email to continue. So use your phone for 2FA, enter your phone number you want to use for 2FA. Then click send code and confirm if prompted. And that's basically it. So that's how you can enable two-factor authentication on Whop. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.